Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the practice set 1.4 question number 5. Okay, so in the last lecture we have already seen question number 1 to question number 4, and this practice set is totally depend on the area of theorem of area of similar triangle. That the theorem you know already, that is, if any two triangles are similar, then their area should be proportional to their sides. So here the question is related to that only. Okay, the question is given that area of two similar triangles, दो triangles है जो already similar है, two triangles are given, one is bigger triangle, another is smaller triangle. So two triangles are given and two triangles are similar. In the question it is given that area of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter, 81 square centimeter. If a side of smaller triangle is 12, smaller triangle का side 12 है, then find the corresponding sides of bigger triangle. मतलब हमको corresponding जो bigger triangle है उसका side calculate करना है. So now how to start the example? So first of all we have to suppose the triangle. The triangles are not given, only they have stated that two triangles are there, one triangle is bigger and the triangle is smaller. So we need to consider two triangles. One triangle will suppose triangle ABC, another triangle will suppose triangle PQR. जो भी triangle को हम लोग ABC या PQR suppose करें, उसमें से one triangle will be bigger and another triangle will be smaller. जो bigger triangle का जो sides होगा, corresponding side, that will be bigger side, और smaller triangle का जो side होगा वो that will be a smaller side. So here we'll start the example first. So two triangles are given, one is 225 square centimeter और second is 81. मतलब एक का area 225 दिया, second का area 81 दिया. So two triangles are similar. One of the area is 225, another triangle has area 225. So suppose करेंगे let triangle ABC is a bigger triangle, and triangle PQR is a smaller triangle. So first we need to suppose this. After that, when these two triangles are supposed, then we have to write their area. Bigger triangle है मतलब इन दोनों में से समझना कौन सा बिगर है, जिसका वैल्यू ज़्यादा है. इन दोनों में से कौन सा एरिया का वैल्यू ज़्यादा है, 225. तो ये जो एरिया रहेगा that will be the bigger and this will be for smaller. So therefore area of triangle ABC bigger है ना, therefore area of triangle ABC will be 225 square centimeter and area of triangle PQR is 81 square centimeter. After that we'll write their corresponding side. ठीक है, so one side is given. If the side of smaller triangle, अभी दोनों में से smaller triangle है PQR, तो इसका side given है and therefore PQ is given 12 centimeter. We'll write here given. Now after that we'll use the theorem. Which theorem we have to use? We'll use the theorem of area of similar triangle. Now we will use the area of similar triangle. So PQ is given 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the another side, that is AB. So how will you find? So we'll write therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. What is the formula is here? Is equal to AB square upon PQ square. So AB is the greatest side, PQ is the smallest side. I will write here by theorem of area of similar triangle. By theorem of area of similar triangle. Now I will substitute the values. Area of triangle ABC is given 225. Area of triangle PQR is given 81. AB is not given, keep as it is. PQ is given 12 square. Okay, after that we have to take the square root of both the term. Then 225, here it is 81, here it is AB square, here it is 12 square. So we will write the taking square root on both sides. When you take the square root on both sides, what you will get? 225 the square of 15, 81 is the square of 9. Here it will be AB and here it will be 12. जब भी square लेंगे so power will be cancelled. ये तो 225, this is the square of 15, 81 is the square of 9. Here it is AB square, the square will be cancelled, AB. 12 square, square will be cut, 12. Then we'll take the cross multiplication here. We have to find the values of AB. Therefore 15 into 12 upon this 12 multiply here, 9 is equal to AB. Yes or no? We'll complete this. 12 we multiply with 15, 12 into 15 upon 9 equal to AB. Now we'll come to the next part. So what you have got, 15 into 12 upon 9 equal to AB after calculating this. Okay, so now we will divide this. 12 and 9, these two number will become in the 3's table. 3 के table में आता. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 4s are 12. So what you will get, 15 into 4 is equal to AB is left. Okay, after that 15 into 4, we have to multiply this two term. So we'll write properly. AB is equal to 15 into 4 and 15 4s are, now multiply this. 4 5 are 20, 0 carry 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 8. So AB will be 80 centimeter. So AB is the greatest side. Okay, therefore the side of bigger triangle, therefore the side of bigger triangle, 15 4s are, sorry, not 80, it will be 60, sorry 5 4s are 20, 0 carry 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 60. Therefore the side of bigger triangle is 60 centimeter. Now got the answer. What we have done here, 15 into 12 upon 9 is equal to AB. After cross multiplication we are getting this term. Then after that we have divided this two number with the 3 table. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. These two number will become in the one table, that is 3 table. Okay, in common table. What are the left? 15 into 4 upon 3. In the denominator 3 is left. Okay, then after that 15 into 3, 15 into 4 upon 3. So this will be 3 same. Then it will give you 60 upon 3. Okay, and 60 upon 3 is nothing but, we'll divide 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Answer would be 20 centimeter. Sorry, answer would be 20 centimeter. 3 is left here. I have by mistakenly I have not written this 3. So answer would be AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Understood? Answer is 20 centimeter. Here you can see, okay, when you divide the denominator, in the denominator 3 will be left. Okay, after that 15 into 4 upon 3, 15 4s are 60, 60 upon 3, then we have to divide, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, then the answer would be 20 centimeter. So this is the answer. So I hope you understood. Now we'll come to the next example. Now here you can see the next question, that is question number 6, sorry. So if area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is given 1:4. The ratio of two areas are given 1:4. Then find the ratios of their corresponding sides. So first we have to write their corresponding side. Suppose this is triangle ABC, then the corresponding side would be AB. Suppose this is triangle PQR, the corresponding side would be PQ. So first we'll write, let the corresponding sides of triangle ABC and triangle PQR be AB and PQ respectively. After that what we'll write, then we have to use the theorem of area of similar triangle. Then what we have given here, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is given, that is 1:4. Then we'll write, therefore by theorem of area of similar triangle, what you can write, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, okay, then we have to write their sides, AB square upon PQ square, their corresponding side. Yes or no? After that, we have already knows this value, area of triangle ABC upon PQR is 1:4. Okay, so we'll instead of this we'll substitute the values 1 upon 4 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Now we have to take the square root. When you take the square root, 1 square root will be 1, 4 का square root आएगा 2 is equal to AB upon PQ. Yes or no? Here we'll have to write taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. After that 1 upon 2 is equal to AB upon PQ. Therefore the ratio बोला AB upon PQ is equal to 1 upon 2, that is AB is to PQ is equal to 1:2. This is the answer. Understood? So they have given the areas here. Okay, using the area of triangle we have to calculate the sides, corresponding sides of the triangle. So here you can see ABC and area of triangle PQR is given 1:4. After that we have used by theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, so theorem says that the area of triangle is always proportional to the square of their corresponding sides. Then area of triangle ABC upon PQR, the value is given 1:4. So we have substituted here 1 upon 4 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. So after that taking square root on both the side, so 1 का square root 1 होगा, 4 square root will be 2, AB square is AB, PQ square is PQ, therefore AB is to PQ equal to 1:2. So this complete the exercise. Okay, two question number 5 and question number 6. Only one question is left from this practice set, that will be continued in the next lecture. Thank you so much.